Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see what is meant by compound letters and how we call compound letters in Hindi. So compound letters or combined letters or joint letters is called as Sanyuktakshar. Sanyuktakshar. Okay. So now in this video we are going to see how we use Sanyuktakshar, and there are some rules in writing Sanyuktakshar and the pronunciation of these letters. So we can see one by one. The first rule is the letters which have a vertical line right side of it. So out of 33 consonants, you can see 22 consonants has a vertical line in the right side of the letter. So when we join these letters with another letter, what happens? The vertical line of the consonants is cut off. Cut off. Okay. For example, see cha when joins with cha. Cha when joins with cha, the vertical line of cha, this vertical line of cha is cut off and you get itcha. So how we pronounce is itcha. So it is like in Tamil you can say Mei Eluthukkal. Okay, Mei Eluthukkal. So how we pronounce Mei Eluthukkal in Tamil? Ich, ing, it, in, like that we pronounce. So in the same way we have to pronounce this half letter in Hindi. Okay. So when the vertical line is cut off, it becomes like this and we pronounce like itcha, itcha. See the word itcha, itcha. What is that? Itcha, itcha. Next one, pa. When pa is joined with ya, pa has a vertical line in the right side of the letter. So when this letter joins with ya, what happens? The vertical line cut off and you get the pronunciation pya, ip, ya, pya. So when the when the half letter comes in front of any consonants, so you have to pronounce the half letter and the consonants together. Okay. So ip, ya, pya, ip, ya, pya, la, pya, la. Okay. So out of 33 consonants, we have 22 consonants which has vertical line in the right side of the letter. So when we join this letter with another consonant, what happens? The vertical line is cut off. So this is the first rule. Now we can see the letters which do not have vertical line, how we can write the letters as a joint letters. Okay, now we can see the second rule. The second rule, the consonants which does not have a vertical line. So how we can write this letter as a half letter, how we can pronounce this one. So first, when you take ka, ka plus ya, when ka plus ya joins together, the half of the letter is cut out. The half of the letter ka, the half of the letter ka is cut out. Okay, and we get ikya, kya. In the same way, when fa is joins with the, when the letter fa joins with the, we get the half of the letter is cut off and we get if the. So this is one way of writing these letters. Another way is when ta, when you take ta. When ta is, you cannot write the half letter of ta. So you cannot cut out the half side of the ta and write. So if you cut out half side of the ta, means you cannot recognize the letter. So for these letters, how we can write half letter? So we can write as oru letter ku keela innoru letter varum. Okay, a letter below a letter. So you can write like this. Or else you can write like it. When you put a small slanting line below ta, so it becomes it. You can write like this. In the same way, tha, for tha also. So in the letter எடுத்தோம்னா இதோட பாதி letter வந்து கட் பண்ணா you cannot identify the letter. So for this type of letter, we write one below the other. It, see, you can write like, or else you can write like this. If you put a slanting line below, so it becomes half letter. It, like this you can write. For example, see, you can write mitta, mitta, or you can write khatta, you can write one below the other letter. So kha, it, khatta, you can write like this also you can write. So this is another way of writing these letters. Now we are going to see how the consonants ra is written like a half letter. So how you can write ra as a half letter. Ra வந்து எப்படி half letter எழுத முடியும்? இது வந்து பாதியா கட் பண்ணா உங்களால ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியும். So how இந்த லெட்டர் வந்து எப்படி நம்ம இன்னொரு லெட்டர் கூட ஜாயின் பண்ணும்போது இந்த லெட்டர் வந்து எப்படியா எந்த மாதிரி மாறும்? First we take this part. When we join with another consonants, we take this part, or else we take this part, or else this part. Okay, this part and this part and this part. Like this we can take the letter ra as a half letter. For example, see, so when you take this part, when ra joins with ka, so it becomes kra. So this part is written like this, kra. Okay, in the same way, for when pa plus ra, when joins with ra, you will get pra. We write like this. Okay, so when we take this part, so when ta is combined with ra, it becomes, we take this part when we combine with ta. Okay, so tra we say as tra, kra, pra and tra. The same way, when tha is combined with ra, we get tra, like this. So what we can do with this part? So this part, for example, this part is called ir. This part is pronounced like ir sound, ir. Okay, for example, ka, ir, ma, karma. Okay, ka, ir. This is a ir sound. The symbol is ir sound. Ka, ir, ma, karma. So this is how we can use half letter words and how we can pronounce this half letter word. So it has 3 rules now. Hope you are clear with this half letter word. If you like my video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you all.